Good afternoon, students. Today we are discussing about some important topic of the class 12th accounting. We have starting from the first chapter of the accounting. Their name is Introduction of the Partnership. In this chapter we have discussing about what is the partnership, how can it work, and which act has been relating to the partnership. We all are things we are discussing in this. We have not only focusing upon to the theory concept, we have also discussing about some practical aspects, because theory and practical both are the important for this first chapter. Without wasting your time, we have starting from this. The first is point of this. A partnership is formed by the signing an agreement. Before you want to be enter into the any kind of the agreement, or you want to be become a partner, so you must be have signing an agreement. The second important thing is agreement may be a written or oral. If you want to be become a partner with any kind of person, so you have need that with this agreement may be a written or oral. If you have been wanting to that with this is agreement may be a written, so there all the rule regulation regarding their partnership form, it has been recording in the written form. Other than if you want to be a no written agreement between both of their partners, so they will be going from oral agreement. In this oral agreement they have so many issues, but government have been providing their two kinds of provision, which has been also very useful things for us for doing their practical exam or practical questions. So in the oral they have a no written, so when you have been partner will be coming and they will be discussing about there, so they will be have a oral, they will be deciding that they will continue their business in the oral form. They have a no written. If any kind of disputes or any kind of grievance will be arising between both of them, so then the court will be giving that two suggestion. In this case the partner have been only sharing their profit equally with all partners. They have a no weightage given to the any other partner who has been giving more capital than other. So in this case the government has been providing that provision that the partner have divided their profit equally with all of them. And another provision regarding of the oral, there have been a interest on loan. The government said that if there is a no agreement between the two partners or a oral agreement, so then they have two compulsory things for us. There is a first is the profit dividing equally, I will told you before, and then the interest on loan, they have been providing 6%. This is the two provision has been relating to the oral. Now we have been, when you have been discussing about their partnership, so you must be know about the four things. There are most important thing for the partnership point of view. There is a first is partner, second is firm, third is partnership, and fourth one is a firm's name. The first we have been discussing when you have been wanting to be become a partner, so two partner minimum is required for doing a partnership business. And when you have been going for to the maximum number of partners, so the limit has been fixed by the government is that 50% in 100 partners in the partnership in a private case. And next one is the firm. In the partnership it's called to the firm. It's not an industry, it's not a company, because company has a biggest or required more large capital. In the partnership you have write their name like a firm. It's a firm case. And third one is the partnership. Partnership is relating to their agreements. There is a two agreements like a written or oral we have discussing about before when you have been studying this, and so you have a clear about their partnership. And last one is the firm name. Before you have been starting their business, so you must be have a name for their partnership. This name is a very unique or cannot be a copy from any others. Before you have been registering yourself as a partnership, so your name has been unique and specific, so that's why you have should be a register yourself like others. And the other more important things, when you have been doing their practical questions of their partnership, you have been must be know about their profit and loss appropriation account. This account is a different from to their profit and loss account, which have been discussing about to their plus one of their final accounts chapter. They are totally different because their partnership, in their partnership we have using their profit and loss appropriation. There all kinds of expense are relating to their partnership. They have a no relation with their companies because their profit and loss are made by their companies. Mostly companies are prepared their profit and loss account. They cannot be prepared their profit and loss appropriation because profit and loss appropriation was made by their partnership firms only. And it is a compulsory to maintain that in the Act of 1932. There are all provisions regarding to their partnership should be register yourself in the 1932 Act of their partnership. The second one is the important thing is the capital account. In this we have been discussing about two types of capital account. One is the fixed capital account and another one is a fluctuating capital account. They have only a single difference when you have been talking about their fixed and fluctuating. In their fixed capital account they have been opening two accounts, like a current account and other one is a capital account. And in the fluctuating, only one account has been opened. Their name is the capital account. And we have been talking about their current and capital. Their current account is relating to the they have a debit and credit balance also, but in the capital account you have only debit balance. I hope you have been clear about their fundamentals of their partnership. In the next video I will discussing about their further more information about their partnership. Thank you so much.